أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي ربنا زدنا علما اللهم فقهنا في الدين آمين. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh ya Ahlul Quran. I hope and pray that you all are in the best state of health and iman. Ameen. Alhamdulillah. So today inshallah let's learn these 5 ayahs of Surah Yasin, which are very easy and short as well. So let's begin now inshallah. First I'm going to recite them and after that let's look into Tajweed rulings inshallah. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم لهم فيها فاكهة ولهم ما يدعون سلام قولا من رب رحيم وامتازوا اليوم أيها المجرمون ألم أعهد إليكم يا بني آدم ألا تعبدوا الشيطان إنه لكم عدو مبين وأن اعبدوني هذا صراط مستقيم. Okay, inshallah. Now let's look into the rulings of these ayahs. First is ayah number 57. لهم فيها فاكهة. Okay. لهم. The meme sakin which is here is pronounced with no gunna because it is the ruling of izhar ash-shafawi. If meme is followed by any other letter except the letter ba and meme, then no gunna is done on meme. Okay, lahum fiha. Don't say lahum fiha, no gunna. Just izhar. Lahum fiha. Fi to haraka. Ha to haraka. Make sure to keep this 2 haraka on maddu tabi'i. Many of the sisters are making it 1 haraka. Okay, wherever there are the maddu tabi'i, the madul asli which has to be stretched for 2 haraka, you're making it just 1. That is not allowed. Changing that can cause lahnal jali. Fiha. Okay, fakihatun. Fa to haraka. Fakihatun. Tanween is followed by wow here. So you'll have to do idgham ma'al gunna. 2 haraka gunna. How to do it? Fakihatun wa. Tun. This kind of sound should be there where your sound should be there in nasal cavity for 2 haraka. Okay, you have to use your nasal cavity to pronounce this idgham ma'al gunna, or else it will sound like fakihatuwa. Tuwa is wrong. Fakihatuwa. Hold your sound in nasal cavity for 2 count. Walahum. Again meme sakin will now be pronounced with 2 haraka gunna. Here meme was followed by fa, but now here meme is followed by meme, so 2 haraka gunna is done. Idgham ash-shafawi. Walahum ma. 2 count gunna. You have to hold the sound of this meme sakin in the nasal cavity for 2 haraka, nasalization for 2 count. Walahum ma. Humma. Okay, and this meme is stretched for 2 haraka as well because you can see this alif maddiya. Walahum ma yadda'un. Yadda. Da has this tajdeed sign. Can you see? So you have to emphasize it. Yadda. Yadda. Not yada. Yada is wrong. Yadda. Okay? Put a stress on it. Yadda'un. Ain is compulsory. If you recite it Hamza, the word will become meaningless. Yadda'un. Okay? you apply the sakin here, the temporary sukoon, due to which you can apply the ruling of madul arid lisukun, stretching this waw madya either for 2 haraka, 4 or 6 count, but we will just keep it 4 haraka, inshallah. لهم فيها فاكهة ولهم ما يدعون سلام قولا من رب رحيم. Salamun. Okay. Lam stretch for 2 haraka and this meme has tanween. There is a sign called a qif where you can stop if you want to. If you stop, you will apply the ruling of madul arid li sukoon like salam qawlan min rabbir rahim. But if you want to continue, you'll apply the ruling of ikhfa. Salamun qawlan. Okay, muqa in this way. Salamun qawlan. Qaf is heavy, and also this waw sakin is waw lean here. It should not sound qawlan. It is a qaw, aw kind of sound. Okay, salamun qawlan. Qawlan tanween followed by meme. Idgham, merging of tanween in meme with 2 count gunna. Qawlan min, qawlan min, 2 haraka gunna. Fine. Now this noon sakin is followed by ra, and you all know this ruling. If noon sakin or tanween is followed by lam or ra, then that noon sakin or tanween is cancelled, right? We won't say min rabbin now. Now we'll not read this noon sakin. We will just say mir. Directly this noon will be cancelled and meme will directly connect to ra. Okay, and this ra is recited with tajdeed because here noon and ra are together merged. Okay, they're merged together. That is why mirra. And don't forget to pronounce this ra heavily. When it has fatha, it is heavy. Mirabbin. Again same ruling. This tanween now is followed by ra. Again this tanween is not recited. Now how to recite it? Not rabbin but rabbir. Directly ra. Okay. Mirabbir rahim. Ra is heavy here. Rahim, ha very sharp. If you say rahim, then the meaning of a word is meaningless. It is rahim. Okay, this meme will acquire temporary sukoon where you can apply the ruling of madul arid li sukoon, the mad which is due to temporary sukoon, inshallah. Salamun qawlan min rabbir rahim. وامتازوا اليوم أيها المجرمون. Waw is connected to meme. وامتازوا اليوم. This term must be stretched for 2 haraka. Zu. This is actually za with dhamma and waw sakina. Mad. Actually it is mad tabai. If you want to stop, you will say wamtazu. But due to this hamzatul wasl, this mad is cancelled, and that is why, to make it easy for the reciters, there is no waw sakin here. If there is no sign, then there is no sound. All those letters which has no sign are cancelled here. This waw madya is cancelled, this alif, silent alif is cancelled, and this hamzatul wasl is cancelled. Now connect this za directly to lam. Okay. وامتازوا اليوم. يوم. Aw kind of sound, not yoma. Yawma. Ayyuha. Ayyu. Ya with tajdeed, so emphasize it and make a little number. I mean, rise your accent, or else how will it sound? It will sound like ayyu, like ya lean. You should not convert this ya mushaddad into ya lean. That is why you have to just rise your accent a little and say ayyu. Okay, not ayyu. This is wrong. Ayyuha. Again same thing, same ruling is applied here. Due to this hamzatul wasl, this alif madya is cancelled. But if you want to stop here, 2 haraka. While continuation, this is ha. Can you see? Ha is directly connected to lam. Ayyuhal mujrimun. Okay. Fine. Here lam is pronounced with no qalqala. Ayyuhal mud, Jim with qalqala. Mud. And Jim should not have a sound of hums. Yani there should be no inclusion of breath in it. If you include your breath while pronouncing this Jim, it will sound like muj. See this ch kind of sound. Many sisters are making this mistake. Don't do that ch kind of sound. It should be muj. There is a difference, right? Muj. Mujrimun. Bounce its sound. Don't continue it like muj. Fine. Mujrimun. Again, madul arid li sukun, where you can stretch for 2, 4 or 6 haraka, inshallah. وامتازوا اليوم أيها المجرمون ألم أعهد إليكم. ألم ميم ساكن with no غنة. أعهد. Don't say ahad. Ahad is wrong. Ain is compulsory. Ahad. Especially when Ain comes with Hamza, it will be a bit difficult for few sisters to recite Ain clearly because both are throat letters, right? Hamza and Ain. But still you have to practice it well. Just practice like in this way you will be able to pronounce Hamza and Ain together. Many words in the Quran comes in this way where Hamza and Ain are together, so make sure to pronounce it clearly. Ahad. Okay, here 3 letters are from huruf al-halqi, Hamza, Ain and Ha, so be very careful to not miss that Ain here. Okay, Ahad, dal with the qalqala. Ilaykum, I kind of sound. It is not ilaykum. Ilaykum is wrong. Ilaykum. Okay, mim sakin no gunna again because next letter is not mim, not ba, it is ya. Ilaykum ya bani. This noon here, which has ya maddiya, can be stretched either for 4 haraka or can be kept 2 haraka according to the ruling of madal jayaz mufassal. Next word is beginning with hamza, right? Better to keep it 4 haraka to be consistent, inshallah. Ya bani Adam. 2 haraka because there is standing fatha here, right? Adam. Allah. Noon sakin followed by lam. So just like here, noon sakin was followed by ra. We did not recite this noon sakin, right? No, we will not recite this noon sakin. It is not Allah, it is Allah. Okay. Allah. 2 haraka. Ta'budu. Again, Ain must be clear. Don't say ta'budu. Ta'budu is wrong. Ta'budu. Okay, and this waw madhya is cancelled because of this hamzatul wasl, so there is no sakin on this waw madhya. This alif is extra alif. Hamzatul wasl is not recited. Lam shamsa is also silenced. Now directly this dal is connected to this sheen. Okay, alla ta'budu shaytan. Ta'budush. Okay, Allah ta'budu shaytan. Shay, not shay, and also the ta is heavy. You can stretch it for 2, 4 or 6 haraka by applying the ruling of madul arid li sukun if you want to stop here. Actually the sign means waslul ula, better to continue, but if you want to stop there is no issues. La Allah ta'budu shaytan. Ta must be heavy. Keep this in your mind. You cannot say shaitan. It is shaytan. Ta. Okay. Innahu. Noon mushaddad 2 count. Gunna. Innahu. Ha for 2 haraka. Lakum. Mim sakin followed by ain. Therefore no gunna. Lakum. Aduwun. Ain should be clear. Okay. Aduwun means enemy in Arabic. If you just say aduwun, then the meaning of a word is changed. Completely wrong. Aduwun. عدو. This wow mushaddad should not sound like wow mad. Okay, how will it sound like wow maddiya if you don't put a stress there? If you recite it very in a very fast way, it will just sound like adubun, adubun. Many sisters do this mistake, so I'm emphasizing it that whenever you see this wow mushaddad which has dhamma before it, make sure not to convert that wow mushaddad into wow mad, and don't say adubu. Adubu is wrong. Adubu, adubu. Make a rise in your accent. Okay, adubu. Adubun. Tanween is followed by meme. Two haraka gunna. Adubun mubin. Two haraka gunna. Then just you'll have to recite this ya madya for 2, 4 or 6 haraka. We'll just keep it 4 haraka to be consistent, inshallah. ألم أعهد إليكم يا بني آدم ألا تعبدوا الشيطان إنه لكم عدو مبين وأن اعبدوني Noon is connected to the sign of the word u'buduni. Okay, Hamzatul Wasl is not read. Ain must be there. Wa'ani'buduni. Dal for 2 count, noon for 2 count. Wa maddiya and ya maddiya. Wa'ani'buduni. If you want to stop, waqf al-jayaz. G means waqf al-jayaz, permissible stop. If you want to stop, even then 2 haraka. If you want to continue, even then it is 2 haraka only. Okay. وَأَنِعْبُدُونِي هَذَا. Ha 2 count, the 2 count. All these are for 2 haraka. While reciting together, none of these should sound like one greater than 2, one lesser than 2. Okay, I'll recite this word together. You can see it should have a correct 2 haraka. وَأَنِعْبُدُونِي هَذَا. See all the letters. وَأَنِعْبُدُونِي هَذَا. 2 harakas. If you make 2 1 2 1, it means you're still not good at mad. Okay, if you want to check if you're good at mad, make sure that all these harakas you have to stretch for 2 count. Fine, you should by now you should actually know how to make it 2 4 or 6, inshallah. وَأَنِعْبُدُونِي هَذَا. Okay, this is zal with no buzzing sound. Don't say haza. If you say haza, the word will become meaningless. Hada صراط. صاد heavy, ra heavy, ta heavy. صاد and ta are huruf al-musta'aliya. Ra is heavy, it has fatha here. صراط. صراط. Tun, not tun. Tun. See, heaviness. صراط. Tanween followed by meme. Do gunna here. Idgham ma'al gunna. Siratun mustaqim. Not mustaqim. This is a major mistake students do. It is not a kha, it is a qaf. Okay? Mustaqim. Qa. Don't pronounce a qa like a kha. This is a major mistake. I'm saying lahan al-jali will be there if you do this qa to kha. Okay? Mustaqim. وَأَنِ اعْبُدُونِي هَذَا صِرَاطٌ مُسْتَقِيمٌ. Alhamdulillah, we have completed learning the tajweed rulings. Now inshallah, let's recite this. Okay, I'm going to turn your mics on now. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. Okay, I have seen many sisters reciting al-isti'adha wrong while reciting, in the recitation classes, you're reciting A'udhu Billah. A'udhu Billah is wrong, it is A'udhu. Okay, inshallah. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
لهم فيها فاكهة ولهم ما يدعون.
لهم فيها فاكهة ولهم ما يدعون.
Okay, Ghunna is done in two places here. One is here, another is here. Two places you have to do two haraka Ghunna. لهم فيها فاكهة ولهم ما يدعون.
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 سلام وقولا من رب رحيم.
سلام قولا من رب رحيم.
Yes, Ghunna is done here with Ikhfa. سلام وقولا من رب رحيم.
سلام قولا من رب رحيم.
سلام. Jesus, don't make noises background. سلام قولا من رب رحيم.
سلام قولا من رب رحيم.
وامتازوا اليوم أيها المجرمون.
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 ألم أعهد إليكم يا بني آدم.
ألم أعهد
ألم أعهد إليكم يا بني آدم.
ألم أعهد إليكم يا بني آدم.
يا بني آدم ألا تعبدوا الشيطان.
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 ألم أعهد إليكم يا بني آدم ألا تعبدوا الشيطان.
ألم أعهد إليكم يا بني آدم ألا تعبدوا الشيطان
إنه لكم عدو مبين.
إنه لكم عدو مبين.
إنه لكم عدو مبين.
إنه لكم عدو مبين.
وأن اعبدوني
وأن اعبدوني
هذا صراط مستقيم.
هذا صراط مستقيم.
وأن اعبدوني هذا صراط مستقيم.
أن اعبدوني هذا صراط مستقيم.
وأن اعبدوني هذا صراط مستقيم.
وأن اعبدوني هذا صراط مستقيم.
لهم فيها فاكهة ولهم ما يدعون.
لهم فيها فاكهة ولهم ما يدعون.
سلام وقولا من رب رحيم.
سلام قولا من رب رحيم.
وامتازوا اليوم أيها المجرمون.
وامتازوا اليوم أيها المجرمون.
ألم أعهد إليكم يا بني آدم
ألم أعهد إليكم
يا بني آدم ألا تعبدوا الشيطان.
يا بني آدم ألا تعبدوا الشيطان
إنه لكم عدو مبين.
إنه لكم عدو مبين.
وأن اعبدوني هذا صراط مستقيم.
وأن اعبدوني هذا صراط مستقيم.
لهم فيها فاكهة ولهم ما يدعون.
لهم فيها فاكهة ولهم ما يدعون.
سلام وقولا من رب رحيم.
قولا من رب رحيم.
وامتازوا اليوم أيها المجرمون.
وامتازوا اليوم أيها المجرمون.
ألم أعهد إليكم يا بني آدم ألا تعبدوا الشيطان.
ألم أعهد إليكم يا بني آدم ألا تعبدوا الشيطان
إنه لكم عدو مبين.
إنه لكم عدو مبين
وأن اعبدوني هذا صراط مستقيم.
وأن اعبدوني هذا صراط مستقيم.
MashaAllah, excellent. Barakallahu feekum. Alhamdulillah, you all recited it very well. I hope inshallah you'll practice this in the same way. Okay, don't make any mistakes, especially those mistakes which you have already done in the previous class. You'll have to be very careful about it. Okay, Alhamdulillah. Any doubts in these ayahs?
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum salam, dear sister. Yeah.
Ayah 58. Salamun or salamun. Is it, you have to
Yeah, it
go
is.
down that name?
Yeah, it is salamun, but this tanween is followed by a qaf, right? So you have to do ikhfa. Ikhfa means hiding that tanween in nasal cavity. Salamu qawlan. Mu, just like ink in English, ink, how you'll hide N. In the same way, you have to hide this mun. Noon should not be very clear. You have to do 2 haraka nasalization. Salamu qawlan. قولا. Okay, try it once.
That's it. Salamun qawlan.
G, excellent. It is perfect. Alhamdulillah.
Jazakallah.
Wa iyaki khair. Any other doubts?
See, ayah 60, right?
Yeah, 16.
The second, the 2 last words there,
Aduwun. Yeah, this tanween will merge with this meme. Aduwun mubin.
So the wow word merge with the meme.
Yeah, wow. No, not wow. This tanween will merge with meme. Wow will be pronounced with emphasis. Aduwun. Aduwun mubin.
Aduwwun mubin.
Yeah, mashallah. It is perfect. Alhamdulillah. Yeah. Wa iyaki khair. Any other doubt? No, Alhamdulillah. Let's end this meeting now, inshallah. Practice it well before reciting it tomorrow. سبحان ربك رب العزة عما يصفون وسلام على المرسلين والحمد لله رب العالمين. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. جزاكم الله خيرا.
وعليكم السلام ورحمة الله وبركاته. جزاك الله خيرا.
جي وانتم فجزاكم الله خيرا.